Hi everybody, welcome back to the channel and thank you so much for being here. This is like the littlest box that makes me so happy. It is our monthly Vellabox, so let's get in and see what we got. New to Vellabox, it is a monthly candle subscription. It comes in 3 different sizes, starting at $12 plus free US shipping. You get in, you fill out a little survey that lets them know about all of the flavors and scents that you're drawn to. You can let them know as we go hurtling toward the holidays if you're going to want just, I don't want to use the word basic, but traditional holiday scents, and I was like, yes I do. I am on board with all of the pines and the pumpkin spices and all of that. This is my September box, so in theory that will probably start next month. But Vellabox began as an artisan candle subscription, and they work with artisans that make clean candles, so you don't end up with phthalates and just all of the things in candles that are icky that you really don't want to breathe into your lungs, put into your air. When we open up this one, that is what it looks like. We have a peach colored bag. I don't think I've ever had, I had one that was canvas with like drawing on it. I don't think I've ever had a differently colored one. Better put my glasses on, I can't read what this says. It says, good food and good company are 2 of life's most simplest and greatest pleasures. True story. Each month you can get on and they do a playlist. I think it's on Spotify. And it says play our playlist brunch vibes. That's fun during your next get together. Okay, so each month we will have our candle and a bonus item. Ooh, this month our bonus item is silicone baking cups. You know what? The timing on this could not have been more perfect. You know what I like to use these for? I am going to have my grandchildren next week, so I will be putting up videos, but you will see me filming a lot today in this t-shirt because I am getting ready for that. A couple of them are little, and I love like if I give them little snacks just to set at the table, if we're doing an art project and they have just little things, this is a great way to gather them. So we have blue and pink and green and like 3 different shades of kind of peaches and beiges. These, you know what, like I said, this timing could not have been more perfect on these little babies. So these are clean burning candles. The fragrances have no phthalates. They are cotton wicks. They're just everything that you want in a candle. Oh my gosh. And they have 2 incredible candles. I cannot wait to open this. Look at this. Croissant. Yeah. It says butter, vanilla, and toasted almond. Does that say perfect kitchen candle or what? Oh my gosh. Oh, that smells so good. Oh, I mean, it's heavenly. The scent is unbelievable. I haven't burned it yet, but I will tell you, it's cold throw, and it says it has butter and vanilla in it. It's cold throw to me is more like a buttercream. Just that sweetness of the vanilla. I do get the underlying, for lack of a better word, bready scent. Oh my gosh, this smells so good. I have not been disappointed yet. And every month when I open this, I want to say, oh, this is my favorite. I love them. Last month, what was the one I got last month? I think it was called Arches. I think that was last month. Oh my gosh. It smelled so, they all have been lovely. Oh, that is just fantastic. So like I said, it is butter, vanilla, and toasted almonds. We hand pour our candles with 100% USA grown soy wax, phthalate-free fragrance oils, and cotton core wicks. Moco Candles x Vellabox. So that is, again, the candle. Let's see what the paperwork says. Moco Candles was created in 2018 by Morgan Connor. With her passion for sustainability, background in art and design, and love for handcrafted goods, she sought to create a product and brand of her own, luxury home fragrances that pose no harm to the environment. Moco Candles is proudly zero waste and carbon neutral. And you guys won't know this because I don't know what order I will film them in, but it's so funny because I just did my Kiwi Echo Crate box. P.S. if I haven't put it up yet, I have a Kiwi Echo Crate coming up. And it was all about zero waste. So a company that is zero waste. It's just awesome. This says Croissant, sweet and spice. Buttery and flaky goodness. There's nothing like a fresh baked croissant to warm the soul. The scent is so delicious that it will have you craving the real thing. I mean, that is beyond true. That smells so good. And I'm not eating the real thing these days, so the candle will be as close as I get. We have information on the back about these, and it's just their featured bonus brand. And it says that the silicone baking cups is a set of 6 with a $10 value, crafted from 100% food grade and BPA free silicone. These silicone muffin cups are both dishwasher and freezer safe, so you can eliminate toxic chemicals and the need to constantly repurchase liners. Use them to make delicious muffins, sweet cupcakes, or anything else your creative self desires. And the company is netzero.co. Let me show it to you. It's got a cute little turtle on it. So cute. And this is actually, that's the Moco. That's what I'm saying, Moco candles. So this was another fan. I get this box, and it's like it's not one of, it is the littlest box that I get. And it brings me so much joy. Isn't it cute? Oh, guys, I haven't even told you the best part. Also, I will put their link and my code, Kathrin50, down below, because if you subscribe, the first box that you get will be 50, I'm not saying 15, 50% off. It's the best discount code that I have too. So it's the most joy I get in a little box and the best discount code. Okay. Thank you so much for coming by. I appreciate you taking the time to be here. Please like, subscribe, hit the notification bell so you'll know when I have more videos coming out. And I hope I will see you really soon. You know what? If you can, go treat yourself to a croissant. Bye, guys.